so we just have to make sure that the pan is hot enough. Okay, like so, because we want it to result to a crusty piece of meat. It has to sizzle. Make sure you cook it like about 1 minute on each side. Okay, you don't want to overdone it because you want to result to a crusty outside and delicate steak inside. Okay. Okay, so after a minute or so, the mushrooms have sweated its natural juice. So we're gonna flash it with a little bit of oil, just a little bit, just a touch, just to complete the cooking. We're going to start the plate now. So the pre-cooked, the flash fried shimeji and the spring onions. Just need to line it up like so. Nothing fancy. Doesn't need to be. Just make sure that you evenly distribute the spring onions and the heads of the mushrooms, like so. Okay, so we're going to slice the steak now. This is actually good for like 2 persons to share. Slice it like as thin as possible, like so. Here a small pot. I'm going to pour a mixture, a combination of olive oil and some sesame oil. Okay, and we will heat this up until it until it reaches its smoking point. Okay, because we want a very hot fat or oil that we will spoon off the sliced beef and actually scorch the meat. Okay, so this is the part that you have to be really careful.